Let's open the Google Play Store. Select the magnifying glass search icon and then select the microphone voice search icon to find Bitmoji for WearOS. I'll put a link in the description. Please have lots of patience while your watch downloads and installs this app. And once it is finished, we are going to open the watch app on our phone. Select Watch Faces. Select Add New. Scroll down until you find the Bitmoji option. If you do not have a Bitmoji account, you can follow the Google Play Store link to download the Bitmoji app and set up your account. When your account is ready, you will be prompted on both your phone and watch to connect accounts. Going back to your watch app on your phone, you will find your Bitmoji face is now in the watch app carousel. You can change hour mode. You can change time layout. You can add or remove complications like Google Assistant on the left and the popular Google Wallet on the right. You can change the font. You can change the colors. When you are done, select Save and then check mark Use on Watch. If you do not see your complications, then tap on their placeholders and give permission for Bitmoji. Restart both watch and phone if you require troubleshooting.